MacGuffin is a noun that refers to an object, goal or event in a story that drives the plot, but is ultimately unimportant in itself. Origins: the term was popularized by filmmaker Alfred Hitchcock in the 1930s. Its exact origins are debated, but Hitchcock credited a Scottish joke about a meaningless object called a MacGuffin. This explanation and usage: a MacGuffin serves as a plot device to motivate characters and create tension, but is not the story's actual focus. It is often used in thrillers, heist films, and adventure stories. Example sentences: in Raiders of the Lost Ark, the Ark of the Covenant is a classic MacGuffin that drives Indiana Jones's quest. The glowing suitcase in Pulp Fiction is a famous example of a MacGuffin. Hashtag cultural significance: the concept is widely used in storytelling, particularly in film and literature. Hitchcock refined the idea, and modern directors like Quentin Tarantino and Christopher Nolan frequently employ MacGuffins in their films. Synonyms: plot device, an element that moves the story forward. Red herring, a misleading clue or distraction. MacGuffin, less common, but sometimes used. Antonyms: central theme, a key idea that defines the story. Character arc, the development of a character, rather than an external object. Resolution, the conclusion or outcome of a story. Your takeaway: a MacGuffin is an object or goal that propels the plot, but holds little real importance. It keeps the story moving, even if its details remain a mystery or fade into the background.